On this video today, I'm going to show you 5 websites that will pay you up to $100 or more per day to do simple tasks on your phone or on your PC. The tasks are very easy to do, so you are not required to have any skills or experience to start earning money on this website that I'm about to show you. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first website that will pay you up to $100 per day is Bettertesting.com. This website pays you to test new applications, websites, products, so that you can be earning money anytime you give your feedback after using these products. You are not required to have any experience or any skills to do this. When you come here, you can see how it works. What you need to do is that just test the website, the new app or hardware. Once you test it, just give your honest feedback after using the website or whatever that you are given to test. Once you give your honest opinion about the website, you are going to be paid $10 to $20 per every test that you complete. It's very simple. You don't need any experience to do it. You can use your mobile phone or your PC so that you can be paid on this website. You don't need any previous experience to do this. Just take your phone, sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account, you are going to be assigned to do different tests. Once you test and then submit your test, you are going to be paid $10 to $20 per each test that you present. So if you get up to 4 tests per day, 5 tests per day, you are going to be earning a lot of money on this website. The next website that will pay you is Testbed. Testbed allows you to also test new applications, websites, and more. So what you need to do is that you have to just use these products. So once you use them, you are going to be paid on Testbed. Testbed is available worldwide. When you come here, you can see, let me just click on it for you to see. When you come to the location, you can see that Testbed is available worldwide. Wherever you are, you can use Testbed to make money from home just by testing websites, applications, or products. So it's simple as that. You don't need any skills to do it. And the good news is that you are going to be earning 20 euros or 15 pounds per test that you present. So once you complete the test, you are going to be earning up to 20 euros or 15 pounds per every test that you present. One good thing I like about this website is that they have flexible hours. So once they invite you to take a test, they will give you the deadline, so you can perform the test at your own convenient time. There is no pressure on you to perform the test immediately. You can do it at the time that you want. You can see you can test during the daytime, at night, at your convenience. So the time that you are free, you can just do the test and present it to them so that you can be paid. When you scroll down, you can see any device that you are using. You can start making money on this website. You can see all you need is a device which allows you to go online. So your mobile phone, your laptop, your tablet, everything that you use to go online, you can use that device to test the products or the applications, and you are going to be paid. When you come to privacy, your information is going to be kept secret. They are not going to share your information with third parties, so you are safe on this website. So make sure you just sign up for an account so that you can be making money on this website. If you want to be a tester, just come right here, fill all the details, your first name, last name, username, email address, password. You are going to select your location right here. Once you select your location, you are going to enter your date of birth, so which includes day, month, year. Once that is done, you are going to accept the privacy notice and the terms and conditions. Once that is done, just click here, let me in, and you are going to get access to a free account whereby you can test products, and you are going to be earning 20 euros or 15 pounds per every test that you complete. The next website that will pay you up to $100 per day is Usability.com. This website rewards you points to complete tasks, watch videos, take surveys. Once you complete a task, watch a video, or complete surveys, you are going to be earning points, and you can convert those points into cash. When you come here, you can see we reward our members with instant cash, free gift cards for completing simple tasks, watching videos, answering surveys. So once you perform any of these tasks, you are going to be earning money on this website. You can see some of the tasks you can earn up to 23 points per 5 minutes. Some of them you are going to be earning up to 58 points, 17 points, 202 points in 5 minutes. Some of the tasks last for a very short time and you can be earning money on this website. You can see once you earn the money, you can get cash payment. You can also receive your payment in gift card or wallet codes and many more. So whatever means that you want to get your money, you can use that to get your payment on this website. When you come here, you can invite friends or other people so that they can join this website and you are going to be earning money. You can see you are going to be earning up to 10% of their earning, as you can see it right here. For life, that is forever. As long as they continue to earn on this website, you are going to be earning 10% of their earning. So if you don't want to complete the offers, you can just sign up for an account and then invite people to join this website through your referral link so that you can be earning money for just doing nothing. The good news is that you can earn up to $100 per day on this website because you can watch videos. Once you watch the videos, you can answer surveys at the same time. You can complete the task and you are going to be earning money on earnably.com. The next website that will pay you up to $100 per day is Userfeel. This website too also pays you to test. As I said earlier on, you are going to be testing apps, websites, and new products so that they will get to know your feelings about the products. Your test feedback help product owners to improve on the quality of their products. So what you need to do is that you have to just sign up for an account and then give your honest feedback about the product that you use. When you come here, you can see Userfeel. You are going to be earning up to $10 per test that you complete. And these tests last from 10 minutes to 20 minutes. So that is just a short time and you can be completing a lot of tests per day. It does not require you to work for a very long time before you earn money. When you come here, you can see they have a lot of different questions and answers that you can read about what you are supposed to do. Once you read and you are okay, you can just sign up for a free account. As you can see here, do testers need to buy products or services from the website they test? The answer is simply no. You don't need to buy any product. You don't need to buy any service to test. You are going to test it for free. You should not enter your real credit card details whilst performing a test. So you are not even required to use your real details to test a product. All that they want you to do is that they just want you to use the product or the website so that they can get to know the fault in the website. As you come here, you can see we do not want a tester too. So these are the don'ts of the website. Don't just look at a website or a product and say everything is okay. What they want you to do is that they want you to test the product, find the fault about the product and give your feedback so that the product owner will get to know what they have to do to improve on the quality of the product. You don't need to do anything else. So what you have to do is just give your honest opinion about the product and you are going to get paid $10 in every 10 minutes or 20 minutes. The last on our list is Usalytics. Usalytics pays you to test websites, applications, mobile apps, and many more. So what they need from you is that you have to test the product and give your honest feedback so that the product owners can improve on the quality. You can see usability testing is simple and fun. You can do it from your phone, tablet, or computer in the comfort of your home or at your preferred location. Not only do you get paid to test, but you learn something new every time and get a sneak peek of what the brands you love most are working on. So what you have to do is that you have to just sign up for a tester account so that you can be paid to test. Just come right at testers. Once you are here, just click on tester so that you can get this page to sign up for an account. So as you can see right here, what you need to do is that you just sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account, you are going to be invited to take a test. Once you receive your invitation and then complete the test, you are going to be earning from $5 to $90 per test. So it depends on the test that you take. As you can see it here, $5 to $90. So the least payment that you can get is $5 per test and the highest is $90 per test. So you are going to be earning a lot of money per every test that you complete. When you come here, you can see you can perform the test on your computer or on your phone. If you want to do the test on your phone, you need an Android version 8.0 or iPhone with iOS 12 or newer. The internet browsers, you need Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and many more. So what you need to do is that you have to download their app and then sign up for an account. If you want to use the web base, just click here, start testing, so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for the free accounts, you are going to be getting invitation to participate in tests. So once you participate in the test, you can be earning from $5 to $90 per every test that you complete. It's very simple as that. You don't need any skills to do it. All that you need to do is your phone and your internet connection, and you are going to be earning money with these 5 websites that I've shared with you. So that is it for this video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.